Welcome to the future, not 5 years from now, but today. A technological shift is unfolding right in front of us. For decades, screens have been our window into the digital world. Phones, laptops, TVs, flat rectangles we stare into every day. But NVIDIA is leading a new computing era, one where screens disappear and reality becomes fully programmable. This is spatial computing, XR, and the next evolution of human-computer interaction. In this video, we'll break down what spatial computing really is, how NVIDIA is powering it, and why this may replace phones and PCs entirely. Spatial computing is simple to explain, but enormous in impact. Instead of interacting with apps on screens, digital content is projected into the physical world around you. You no longer open a browser, you look at information. You no longer tap icons, you reach out and grab them. You don't watch content, you step inside it. This is computing that understands your space, your hands, your voice, your eyes. Your room becomes your desktop, your environment becomes your interface. XR headsets and smart wearables overlay holographic layers on top of reality itself, transforming the way we work, learn, socialize, and create. And the engine driving this new world? NVIDIA hardware, AI frameworks, and spatial processing systems. Every wave of computing has a leader. The PC era had Intel. The mobile era had ARM and Qualcomm. The AI era belongs to NVIDIA. Spatial computing will demand real-time graphics, massive neural processing, 3D simulation, and low-latency rendering. No company is prepared for this future more than NVIDIA. Their GPUs already power AI inference, neural rendering, 3D scene reconstruction, photorealistic environments, virtual simulation and robotics pipelines. Technologies like Omniverse, RTX ray tracing, CUDA, and NVIDIA Cloud XR are not just products, they're infrastructure for a reality beyond screens. In the near future, work will happen in virtual workspaces, design studios will use real-time holographic models, meetings will be immersive and spatial, not flat video tiles, entire digital cities will be simulated for planning and training, and NVIDIA's hardware will drive every pixel of it. The race has already begun. Apple, Meta, Samsung, Google, every major tech giant is building headsets, glasses, and spatial systems. But the question is not who builds the headset. The question is who powers the intelligence inside it. Spatial computing requires real-time AI perception, spatial mapping, hand tracking, eye tracking, foveated rendering, neural network-driven UI. This is compute heavy. This is GPU territory. This is NVIDIA's battlefield. Imagine a future where your workstation floats in front of you. Your browser is a window in the air. You design products in 3D space with your hands. You watch a movie as if you're inside it. And your XR device streams neural rendered environments from NVIDIA's cloud at 120 frames per second, anywhere in the world. That future is not speculation. It's underway now. We've seen this pattern before. Early smartphones looked strange too. People asked, why would anyone need this? And then, the world changed. Spatial computing is at that same moment. Early headsets are bulky, expensive, imperfect. But every technology curve starts this way. The next versions will shrink. They'll become comfortable, affordable, stylish, invisible. And once the hardware meets convenience, adoption will explode. We will stop asking, why would I use XR? And start asking, why would I use a phone? When holographic displays replace flat screens, when every surface becomes interactive, when AI overlays data onto the world itself, traditional devices will feel outdated overnight. NVIDIA is not building a product. They're building the computing foundation for the next reality. Spatial computing is not science fiction. It's not speculative. It's happening now, quietly, quickly, and with massive investment behind it. And as this future forms, one truth becomes clearer every day. The next computer is not in your hand. It's in your environment, around you, all the time. The era of screens is ending. The era of immersive computing has begun. And at the center of it stands NVIDIA. If you're watching this channel, you're already early. Stay ahead with us, because the future will not wait. And this is only the beginning. This is Next Wave Tech, where the future is now. If you want us to break down how XR will change everyday life, from work to entertainment, let us know in the comments. Subscribe for weekly deep dive reports into AI, XR, and frontier technology.